Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kagenhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jela Hakasngi Balang kalau menjuri ke Jintarwa ban Thau bat Shna yaki Kyndon nak benta ke Art and Heritage Award. Habakren shikilap patai kubor Menteri rangba ukan rat kisangma ulaong bakatanat Arts and Culture kala terwa ban ai Khusnam shaki beriu ki badan benta haki kam Shnadur ki ban kentup yaki benta ba pher nadu ke performing arts hadu ke jingrai tenrai ke shat tenrai ki skit tenrai bat ke theater ke jingtrai kiti bat kiwe Ulia thu bakandan ke komiti ke ban kli the chief secretary bat kiwe ki dukhat na katanat arts and culture ki ban sa Jied ki beriu kabala ban le da ka bashu Jied baru da ka bashu apply ki badai hok ban yo Khusnam ya ka ban sa le man la usnam.
Formal announcement will be made on that day, but I am happy to inform all of you regarding the awardees. So the Utcharat Singh Award for Art and Literature, we have approved the name of Shri Sembertush A. Sangma, who is from Rongkon, Tura, Garo Hills. His name has been brought by the advisory committee, which is headed by the Chief Secretary, and we have approved that name. The Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Service, the awardee, as recommended by the committee, is Reverend W.C. Kongwir. The third is U Kyangnangba Award for Sports and Games. The awardee is Srimati Kmoin Walang, who is our long distance runner. I think all of you are aware of her. So these were the three people who were selected, and this will be officially announced on Meghalaya Day, 21st of January. Folk dance, folk drama and theatre, craftsmanship, renowned exponents and practitioners on domain experts and living exponents. And of course there will be a committee which will be headed by the Chief Secretary and other members from the Art and Culture Department, who will select the individuals, which can be done on a nomination basis as well as on application basis, and will select different people who deserve to get awards, which will be done on an annual basis. So this was approved by the cabinet today.